Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Lenovo A7. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to swipe up your phone and then you will find here all apps. Simply scroll down and you will find here setting. After click on setting, scroll down all the way and you will find here system. After click on system, you will find here something called date and time. After click over there, you can see it's saying automatically date and time. That means if you are in Dubai, if you are in London, automatically your phone time going to be changed. But if you want to customize the time, you can easily click here, turn it off, and you can easily set the date and time you want. And if you want to set the time, also you can do easily whatever time you want, and you can easily click here OK, and then you can see your phone time and date going to be changed. If you want to make it automatically, you can easily turn it on and this phone going to appear automatically date and time currently the place you are. So in this way you can easily customize date and time in your Lenovo A7. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.